Hello guys, so if you're looking to edit images on Midjourney, if that's the case, you have come to the right place. Because today in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can do that. Now, without wasting any more time, let's begin. So firstly, just simply open your Discord application, and I would presume that you have already added Midjourney bot into your server, because if you haven't, you can check my previous videos. Over there, I've explained how you have to do this. Now, over here, to edit the image, firstly what you need is an image. So for that, you can just simply drag and drop an image onto the Discord chatbot, or you can just simply click on the plus icon over here, then upload a file, and go to the location, click on the folder, choose the image, then hit open. Now just simply hit enter on your keyboard. And now the image is uploaded. Now to edit this image, all you have to do is just simply click on the image, right click on it, copy link. Now click on the bar, backslash, imagine, then paste your prompt, then paste your link that you copied from the image. Now just simply give a space, and now you can write whatever you need, like for example reading a book. Then if you want to add aspect ratio, you can also do that by hitting space dash dash AR again dash again space 4:3. So this is the aspect ratio that I want. So after that, you can just simply hit enter and wait for the result to come in. Now as you can see, Midjourney came up with a pretty good result, as you can see right over here. Now if you want multiple results, you can just simply redo this entire process by clicking on the redo option over here, and it will give you multiple results and different type of looks. So and after that, you can just simply choose a look and then upscale that. So let's do it. So as you can see, I came up with 2 more results, as you can see right over here, and both of them came pretty good. Now this is the most realistic that I think. To upscale the image, what you have to do is just simply click on the upscale versions over here, which is U1, 2, 3, 4, meaning U1 means upscale 1, upscale 2, upscale 3, and upscale 4. So what I'm looking is upscale 4 and upscale 3. So I'm going to just simply click U3 and U4. And if you like, you can also get the different variants of the other images that you printed by clicking on the upscale over there as well. So after you have done that, the upscaled version will appear on the Discord just like that. Now all you have to do is just simply click on the image. Now to download the image, all you have to do is just simply click on the image, right click and save image, choose a location and save. That's it, and thank you for watching, and do like and subscribe to my channel, and take care.